Hello, I am Stuart. Here in the video we will share the details for the Call of Duty mobile error code 154140716. The error reads, "Update download failed. Please make sure you have a stable connection. Code 154140716. This error commonly appears when players try to load into the game, specifically when it attempts to download updates or load new data. Based on our research, this issue seems to be related to network stability, storage space, or specific server issues. Before diving into complex solutions, restart your device and router to ensure that there are no temporary glitches causing the error. If the error persists after restarting the system first, make sure that your device has enough available storage space. Sometimes, lack of storage can prevent the game from downloading necessary updates, leading to this error. Free up some space and check for the error again. Another potential solution is to change the DNS server settings on your device. This can help improve connectivity issues that may be affecting the game. Once the DNS is changed, try launching Call of Duty Mobile and see if the error still comes. If the error persists, try connecting over a different network. You can use an alternate Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot. This will help determine if the error is network-specific. Sometimes the issue might be on the game's end. Visit the Activision server status page to see if there are any announcements about server outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may have to wait until they are back up. Some players have found success by using a VPN. Connect your device through a VPN, launch the game, and once it is loaded, turn off the VPN. However, be cautious when using a VPN, as it can sometimes lead to a temporary ban or even a permanent ban from the game. If the error still comes even after trying a VPN, avoid continuously using it as it may worsen the situation. Use this method as a last resort if you are desperate to access the game. At last, if none of these solutions work, wait for a while and try again later. The error might be temporary and could resolve on its own. If the issue continues, consider contacting Activision support to report the problem and seek further assistance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.